The Motorola Razr Fold is here, and after testing Motorola's first book-style foldable phone, I've discovered some things that have truly impressed me, and others that might make you think twice before buying it. So, if you're considering buying the Razr Fold, stick with me because I'm going to analyze the main reasons to buy it, its most outstanding features, and whether it's really worth its high price. Let's get started. 50 megapixel triple camera system. Let's start with one of the biggest surprises. Motorola has never been known for having the best smartphone cameras, but the Razr Fold changes that. The phone boasts three 50 megapixel rear cameras with Sony Lydia sensors, and the results are surprisingly impressive. Photos look bright, vibrant, and full of detail, while Pantone color calibration helps produce more natural and accurate colors. Motorola has also included several useful camera features. You can still instantly open the camera with Motorola's classic double twist gesture. The action shot feature helps you keep moving subjects sharp and in focus. The frame adjustment feature is another clever function that lets someone else frame your photo exactly how you want it. And because it's a foldable phone, you can use the external screen as a real-time viewfinder for high-quality selfies with the rear cameras. This is a feature that content creators and social media users will love. High-end performance. The Razr Fold is equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, along with a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM. While it's not the more expensive Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, its performance is still incredibly fast. Apps open instantly, multitasking is smooth, and gaming performance is excellent. Whether you're playing Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, or using multiple apps simultaneously, the Razr Fold handles it all smoothly. Impressive dual screens. One of the main reasons to buy a foldable phone is screen size, and the Razr Fold delivers in spades. On the outside, it boasts a gorgeous 6.6-inch display with a smooth 165 Hz refresh rate and an incredible 6,000 nits peak brightness. Open the phone and you're greeted by a massive 8.1-inch foldable screen that feels more like a tablet than a smartphone. Watching videos, browsing the web, editing documents, and playing games are all fantastic experiences on this larger screen. Next generation multitasking. This is where the foldable experience truly shines. The Razr Fold lets you run up to 3 apps simultaneously in split-screen mode. Need even more flexibility? You can open a 4th app in a floating window. The combination of its large screen, powerful processor, and Motorola's software makes it one of the best productivity phones available today. Laptop mode and desktop mode. Motorola also includes some unique foldable features. Desktop mode transforms the phone into a smart display that shows your calendar, notifications, clock, and upcoming tasks. On the other hand, laptop mode turns the bottom of the screen into a touchpad and keyboard. Essentially, it gives you the experience of a mini laptop right from your smartphone. This is one of the most useful foldable features I've seen on a smartphone. 6,000 mAh silicon carbon battery. Now let's talk about battery life. This could be one of the Razr Fold's biggest selling points. Motorola has integrated a massive 6,000 mAh silicon carbon battery into an incredibly thin body. Compared to traditional lithium batteries, silicon carbon technology allows manufacturers to fit larger batteries into smaller spaces. The result? Exceptional battery life. It's easy to use all day, and many users will likely get 2 days of use out of a single charge. 80-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. When you need to recharge, Motorola won't let you down. The Razr Fold supports 80 watts wired fast charging and 50 watts wireless charging. This is significantly faster than many other foldable phones on the market. A quick charge gives you hours of extra use in just minutes. Moto AI features. Another feature worth mentioning is Motorola's growing AI ecosystem. The Razr Fold incorporates AI-powered tools to enhance productivity, generate images, take notes, create content, and perform smart searches. These tools make its large foldable screen even more useful for work and creativity. 7 years of software support. Software support is often overlooked, but it's crucial for a high-end phone. Motorola promises 7 years of Android OS updates and security patches. This is one of the best software support commitments Motorola has offered to date and puts the Razr Fold much closer to Samsung and Google in terms of long-term value. Moto Pen Ultra compatibility. Finally, we have the Moto Pen Ultra. Unlike many smartphone styluses, this one is pressure-sensitive, tilt-sensitive, and Bluetooth-enabled. You can use it as a remote camera shutter, trigger AI features, annotate documents, sketch, and take advantage of Motorola's AI-powered sketch-to-image feature. For productivity users, artists, and note-takers, this adds an extra layer of versatility to the Razr Fold. Conclusions. The Motorola Razr Fold isn't just Motorola's first book-style foldable phone. It's also one of the most ambitious smartphones the company has released to date. It offers high-end performance, impressive cameras, a massive foldable screen, excellent multitasking capabilities, a large 6,000 mAh battery, ultra-fast charging, 7 years of updates, and optional stylus support. If you've been waiting for a foldable phone that combines productivity, battery life, entertainment, and creativity in a single device, the Razr Fold might be just what you're looking for.